A special thanks to this company for sending me their multi-charging cable. This is the front of the box. There's nothing around the sides. Back just shows that its output is 5 volts, 3 amps, and its material is nylon braided and aluminum alloy, and 2-piece multi-charger cable. So let's open it up, see what we have here. Oh, okay, a little different than I thought. Nothing else in the box. So that's what it meant by multi-use. This is actually really cool. So it's got one USB-A port here, regular USB, and then this side of the cable has a micro USB, a USB-C type, and 2 lightning port cables. Is this one the same? This one looks to be the same. So both of them have 2 iPhone cables, 1 USB-C and 1 micro USB. Looks like about 3 or so feet here of cable length. But this could really come in handy because, like, for example, I have this, so I could take this and plug into here, and then I can plug me in my iPad, my iPhone, my Pixel, and my Sony camera all into one cable. That's pretty helpful. So that'll do it for this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.